Hey guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, today in this video I'm going to show you how you can apply an e-visa to travel to Sao Tome and Principe online on your cell phone device. Before I proceed further, if you have not already subscribed to my channel, please go and subscribe right now. And also I would like to clarify, neither I am an immigration consultant nor I'm a government body. So in case you take anything out of this, you do it at your own risk. Alright guys, so let's proceed. So guys, more and more countries are going towards e-visas, and another thing that I see is very remarkable, that most of these websites are compatible on mobile devices too. That means you don't even need a desktop or a laptop in order to apply, and you can simply use your mobile device to apply. So for Sao Tome and Principe, as you can see, I have opened their website on my mobile device, which is an Android device, and it's available in both Portuguese and English. Okay, I have gone to the English tab on top, but yeah, if you want, you can go to Portuguese too. So 3 steps: select type of visa, fill out form, and then you can apply. Okay, so what are the things you need? Passport, okay, reservation like booking, okay, we are gonna stay, and return ticket, of course. Okay, payment you don't need to worry about, it will be done at the border. Okay, all right, so once you are ready, click on start now. So in step 1, you need to select which kind of visa you need. If you are going for tourism, you select tourist. Okay, and go to next. So now it is asking, please fill all the fields correctly. So let's proceed. Okay, so this page is for passport. I'm going to attach and then I'm going to see you guys. So I have filled some sample, but you do your actual information, and any information you put, check it, verify 2 times, because you don't want any issue at the border, right? So that's what country of birth. Okay guys, so now I have filled some sample passport information. I have put upload, like this is sample information, like your surname. I have put sample information, but when you do, you put your actual surname, given name, country of birth, email, your country, city, home address, phone number, passport details, date of issue expiry, nationality of passport, departure city details, when you are entering, when you are exiting, and other details. Also, you need to put the travel reason, hotel reservation information, and other details, and recipient of the hotel reservation. Yeah. So guys, the attachment that you were supposed to attach was in the PDF format, and then you go to next screen, where you confirm the information, and where you are going to click on finish and submit. Of course, I'm not going to go to that stage. That's why I refreshed the page, and the details are not coming here. But yeah, that is how it works, guys. Like you at step 2 I showed you, you go to step 3, there you confirm everything is correct, and if you want to make any modification, you can do that, and you can click on finish. So that's how simple it is, guys. Let me know what you feel about it. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.